how much should you actually spend on a foldable under-desk treadmill? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others end up returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, AMS Tabler Adjustable Desk. The AMS Tabler Small Standing Desk, which is priced at just $49.98. What caught my eye? The adjustable height feature. If you want a desk that complements your walking pad and promotes better posture, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product stands out. The height can adjust from 31 to 43 inches, allowing you to customize your workspace perfectly. This means you can find that sweet spot for comfort while walking and working. With a spacious 32 by 16-inch desktop, there's plenty of room for your laptop and other essentials. Plus, the mobile design with 4 lockable wheels makes it easy to reposition wherever you need it. With over 700 units sold in the last month, it's clearly meeting a need for many. Now, some people complained about the sturdiness when fully extended. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it at a reasonable height and don't overload it, it's sturdy enough for daily use. If you're just looking for a desk that gives you flexibility while working, it's still a great buy. This is perfect for you if you're working from home and want an adjustable desk that pairs well with your treadmill. Skip this one if you need something incredibly heavy duty, as it might not hold up under extreme conditions. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the adjustable height didn't impress you, this next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, WinAs Portable Treadmill Desk. The WinAs Small Portable Treadmill Walking Pad Desk, priced at $49.99. What I found interesting is its focus on both mobility and stability. If you want a compact solution that moves easily, this is definitely worth considering. This desk features adjustable height settings from 30.7 to 41.9 inches, making it adaptable for various users. It's equipped with 4 ball-bearing swivel casters for smooth movement, so you can glide it around your space with ease. The material used is high-quality particle board, ensuring it withstands daily wear and tear. With 400+ units sold recently, it's gaining traction among those who need a multi-purpose desk. However, some users noted that the height adjustments can be a bit tricky to manage. Here's the thing though, once you find your ideal height and lock it in, it functions just fine. If you're someone who enjoys switching things up frequently, this feature might actually suit you. This is perfect for you if you need a portable desk that you can easily reposition in different rooms. Skip this one if you prefer a desk that stays put, since this one is designed for movement. Overall, it provides great value for a mobile workstation. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your tech secure.
Product number 3, Vivo Universal Treadmill Desk. The third product is the Vivo Universal Treadmill Desk, priced at $44.99. What really caught my attention, its universal compatibility. If you want a desk that fits nearly any treadmill setup, this is worth a look. This platform attaches securely to your treadmill handlebars, designed to work with distances from 26.8 inches to 31.5 inches. It can support up to 22 pounds, which is great for holding your laptop and other devices while you walk. The anti-slip rubber pads protect your treadmill from scratches, which is a thoughtful touch. Minimal assembly means you can set it up in no time, and it's already garnered over 200 sales this month, indicating its popularity. Some users mention that it doesn't work with tilted handlebars. Here's the time. If your treadmill has a standard setup, this desk can really enhance your workout and productivity. It's just a matter of verifying your equipment first. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward solution to turn your treadmill into a walking workstation. Skip this one if you have a treadmill with slanted handlebars, as it won't fit properly. It's a good deal for those wanting to combine fitness and work. Now, if the compatibility issue bothered you, the next product might offer a different solution. Product number 4, Aber Treadmill Mat. The Aber Compact Walking Pad Mat, priced at only $19.99. What impressed me? Its versatility and protection. If you want to keep your floor safe while you work out, this mat is worth considering. This mat measures 51 inches by 23.6 inches, providing ample space for your treadmill or walking pad. It's foldable and waterproof, making it easy to clean and store. The anti-slip bottom ensures it stays in place, which is crucial during those more intense workouts. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clear that many are finding value in protecting their floors. However, a few users mentioned that it might be a bit small for larger equipment. Here's the thing, if you have a compact walking pad or exercise bike, this mat will work perfectly for you. If your equipment is larger, it may not provide the coverage you need.
This is perfect for you if you want a protective mat for your walking pad or compact fitness equipment. Skip this one if you have larger machines, as it won't cover as much area. It's a solid investment for the price. Lastly, if you're looking for a mat, the next product might just fit your needs even better.
Product number 5, Foldable Treadmill Mat. We have the Foldable Treadmill Mat, priced at $24.99. What did I find intriguing? Its dual-purpose functionality. If you need a mat that can protect both carpet and hardwood floors, this might be the one for you. This mat is designed for use under your walking pad, offering shock absorption and noise reduction to keep your environment quiet during workouts. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, so you won't have to worry about sweat damaging your floors. With 100+ units sold, it's clear people appreciate the quality. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not be suitable for larger treadmills. Here's the thing. If you're using a compact machine, this mat's protective features will serve you well. For larger setups, you might want to consider a bigger option. This is perfect for you if you need a mat that provides good protection for smaller fitness equipment. Skip this one if your treadmill is bigger, as it may not offer enough coverage. For the price, it's a smart buy for those looking to keep their floors in great shape.
To wrap things up, we've covered some great options today. The AMS Tabler and WinAs desks are fantastic for adjustable height and mobility, while the Vivo desk focuses on compatibility with your treadmill. The AberMat and the Foldable Treadmill Mat both provide excellent protection for your floors. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a great option for you here.